Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to download Firefox on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Firefox and hit Enter. Click on the official Mozilla website. Once you're on the Firefox website, click on the Download Firefox button and wait for the download to complete. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder. When the installer opens, click Yes if prompted by the user account control. Choose your installation preferences and click Install. Since I already have Firefox, it shows Reinstall for me. In your case, it will say Install. Wait for the installation to finish. This might take a few minutes. Once the installation is completed, the browser will launch, and you can set your preferences or just skip for now. Now, Firefox is installed and ready to use. You can start exploring its features and enjoy browsing the web. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Firefox on Windows. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.